Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create our own sticker on Instagram story or reel. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram application and here I'm about to create an Instagram story. I'm going to create an Instagram story with this image and I'm going to add my own sticker to this image. So if we want to add sticker, we can select this option and then select the cow dots and we can choose an image from our device that we want to make sticker from. And for instance, I'm going to select this image. I'm going to create sticker from this image. The Instagram will automatically create sticker for us, but unfortunately, Instagram cannot find an object from this image. So I'm going to select it manually like this. Tap on the object. And now the sticker has been created and we can click on use sticker. Okay. And once you're ready, you can click on your story to share your story. And the second one, I'm going to show you how we can create cow sticker for our Instagram reel. I'm going to create a reel. I'm just going to select this photo. And then we can click on the sticker icon and select cow. It's the same. And I'm just going to use the sticker I have just created. Okay, then you can click on next, then just click on share to share your Instagram reel. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create our sticker on Instagram story or reel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.